AI is perfect. It writes like humans, speaks like humans, even jokes like humans. But here's the truth. AI is far from flawless. Sometimes it gives confident wrong answers. Sometimes it misunderstands context. Sometimes it goes completely insane, like this. Today, we're diving into the real weaknesses of AI systems. I'll also show you 5 of the most popular AI engines and why they're still not perfect. Stay until the last one. It's the most shocking. ChatGPT is one of the most famous AI systems. It can generate essays, write stories, and answer questions like a human. But it has a major weakness: overconfidence. It often gives answers that sound correct, but are completely wrong. For example, ask it a historical question or tricky math problem, and it may invent a reference or confidently give the wrong fact. It's brilliant, but it's not thinking. It's predicting patterns. Humans still need to verify everything. Replica, it is designed to chat like humans. They're fun and even comforting, but they have weaknesses. Emotional understanding, they mimic empathy but don't feel it. Context memory, they forget previous conversations or contradict themselves. Advice limits, sometimes suggestions are nonsensical or harmful. These AI feel human, but they aren't. Next up are AI image generators like DALL-E and Midjourney. They can create stunning images from text prompts, but they have weaknesses. Creativity limits. They only remix patterns they learned, so they can't truly invent. Human anatomy fails. Hands, faces, and complex poses often look weird. Bias. They can unintentionally reflect the biases in their training data. AI can make incredible visuals, but it's still far from perfect artistry. Google Bard and Bing AI. These are designed to rival ChatGPT. They pull in web data and try to give real-time answers. Weaknesses: context misunderstanding. They can misinterpret multi-step questions. Fact errors. Live data doesn't always mean correct data. Consistency issues. Answers can change if you ask the same question twice. AI sounds smart, but it's far from reliable. Finally, AI video and multimedia tools like Runway ML or AI editors. They automate video editing, color grading, even voiceovers. But weaknesses remain. Subtle mistakes, lip sync errors, unnatural transitions. Creativity ceiling. AI can't invent a completely new concept. Reliability. Sometimes it crashes or misinterprets instructions. Even AI's best video tools still need a human eye to finalize the product. AI isn't perfect, and that's the point. If you found this useful, like the video. Subscribe, more coming soon.